Hi, today I would like to talk about some basic instrument repair, changing strings, and straightening the bridge. First of all, replace one string at a time. There is an order for changing the strings. First, remove the middle strings, and then remove the outer strings. For example, for violin, the removing order is A, D, G, and E. If you need to change the whole set of strings, take one old string and then change to a new string. It is important not to remove all the strings at once. If you do remove them all, you may release the tension on the instrument, causing the bridge to come off and the sound post, which is inside the violin, may fall over. Now, let's change the strings. First, we remove an old string from the instrument, and we slowly turn the pegs downward until the string is completely loose and can be removed. Remove the bottom part of the string from the tailpiece, and unwind the peg containing this old string to remove it. Then, slowly pull out a new string. Usually, the string wrapper will tell you which string it is. Then, take the bottom of the string, run it through, and turn it as smooth as possible. Then, put the bottom end of the string into the tailpiece. Make sure it is locked in properly, and then pull the string back. Hold the top of the string and put it into the hole. Wind on the string toward the side of the peg box. And we finish this process by tuning your instrument. Next, let me talk about straightening the bridge. First, you should check the bridge. From the side of the instrument, the back of the bridge should be 90 degrees with the top of the instrument. That means it stands straight up from the body of the instrument like a telephone pole. If it is leaning forward or backwards, it needs to be fixed. And checking it from the top, it should be parallel to the fingerboard. If you need to adjust it, we need to get the instrument sandwiched in between the legs. And then use the thumb and middle finger to grab the bridge. And then applying the pressure by the index finger to adjust the direction of the bridge. Pay attention to only adjust the upper half of the bridge. Then the whole process should be fine and gentle. Don't press too hard. Make sure we check the position and angle of the bridge every time after a fine adjustment, and then repeat it until we are satisfied. Remember to tune after straightening the bridge. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.